In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure in Fusion 360. Whether you're checking a quick dimension, confirming a fit, or communicating exact sizes, the measure tool gives you fast, reliable answers right inside your model. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. If it's already open, make sure you're looking at the area you want to inspect. Orbit, pan, and zoom as needed so your selections are clear and unambiguous before you measure. A clean viewing angle prevents misclicks and helps you pick the exact faces, edges, or points you care about. Next, go to the top toolbar and open the Inspect menu, then choose Measure. If you prefer shortcuts, press the I key to launch the same tool. Immediately, you'll see a small measurement window appear, and your cursor becomes ready to select geometry. This is your hub for reading results in real time. Now begin selecting the geometry you want to measure. Click a single edge to see its length. Click an arc or a circular edge to read its radius and diameter. If you want a straight line distance, click one vertex and then another. To find an angle, pick two edges or two faces that define the angle between them. Fusion 360 highlights the entities under your cursor, so pause a moment to confirm you're selecting the right thing. If you choose something by mistake, click in an empty area to clear the selection and try again. Taking a second to select carefully ensures the numbers you see truly reflect the features you intended to measure. As you make selections, watch the pop-up measurement window. It updates instantly with values like distance, angle, radius, or diameter, depending on what you picked. The results follow your document's units, so they'll be consistent with your design settings. You'll also notice that the measurement adjusts live as you change what's selected, so you can explore options quickly without switching tools. If you're comparing two faces, the tool can report the angle between them. If they're parallel, you'll see the shortest distance. For arcs and circles, radius and diameter display together so you can use whichever is more convenient for your task. When you're finished, press Escape on your keyboard or click Close in the measurement window. That exits the tool and prevents accidental new selections. You can always come back to it instantly by pressing I again, and that's all you need to confidently measure in Fusion 360. Open your model, launch Measure, click the relevant geometry, read the results, and close the tool when done.